The following segment is brought to you by My Chunky Table. Welcome back. Well, if you are looking for a quick and easy holiday treat this holiday weekend, Beverly is here to teach us how to make these delicious Zebra Brownies.
Yes.
Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. I'm so excited. This is such a cute idea. Let's talk about the ingredients. These are so delicious looking.
Yes, so I love brownies. I love supporting local, so this time I'm going to use the Lehigh Mills brownie mix, but you can use any brownie mix, whether it's your own homemade recipe or any other box brownie. The thing that I like to change up that's different is I like to add an extra egg. So whatever recipe you use, regardless, I add an extra egg. And then I also like to substitute some of the water with some sour cream. I feel like it gives it that extra richness and just the moisture that it needs so that they don't end up dry.
That's such a good idea because that moisture is key.
Yes.
Of that rich
Oh,
taste.
nobody wants to bite into a dry brownie.
No.
Never. So with this recipe, I actually have already pre-put the brownie mix in here. The way that we get the zebra effect is that we actually are doing, it's almost like a cheesecake. So I'm putting a block of cream cheese, I'm putting 1 egg, and I'm putting sugar. I just blend it up really well until it's pretty smooth. We're just gonna layer it, and I'll just do one example real fast.
So pretty.
So I kind of just line it in a row.
Yum.
And
You're doing a much better job than I would be doing, I guarantee.
And it
Mine
doesn't
would not
have
look
to be
as cute.
perfect. It's super, super forgiving.
That's good to hear.
Because you are going to be blending it. So I'm just going to quickly demo. Sometimes I like to mix in a little bit of the chocolate before I blend, just so that you get that beautiful zigzag look. And then you just take your knife and I just go in zigzag motion.
And I feel like this would be really fun to do if you have kids.
Yes,
You know?
let your kids just go to town, have fun, and then you kind of turn the pan or just go in the other direction.
So
This
easy.
has kind of been sitting here, so it might not look as pretty, but you go to the consistency that you want it, how much white contrast you want it, but then it just goes in and it bakes beautifully.
Beverly,
So
this
it's
is
usually
gorgeous.
just about 35 to 45 minutes. And it's such a fun snack, especially for like the holidays, group gatherings, picnics. If I'm doing it for an event or a picnic, I like to actually put it into these little foil,
Yum.
just little foils. It's easy for grab and go. Pack your kids' lunches, throw in a brownie. They feel extra special, or you can display it on fun.
They're so beautiful and very fancy looking. This is amazing. And as you said, I imagine this is great for any gathering, especially, 4th of July, barbecues.
Absolutely. Barbecues are the best with brownies. And instead of showing up with just a regular pan of brownies, like what more to arrive, and everyone just thinks it's so elevated and beautiful, and they just think you spent hours in the kitchen.
I was going to say, it looks like you spent a lot longer than you did, but it's beautiful.
We like to elevate the easy.
I love that. That's a great slogan. You have a lot of experience with cooking, lots of ideas. Where can folks go for more information to kind of get ideas? And let's talk about what you offer.
So you can find me on Instagram at My Chunky Table. You can also find me at mychunkytable.com. I post my cooking classes once a month, and I do them throughout. I do a variety of sweet and savory just to give everybody a good hands-on experience of doing dessert, which is my favorite. And then also to share some of my love of like Japanese cooking.
Oh my gosh, that's incredible. Beverly, it's been such a pleasure having you in here. Thank you so much.
Thank
I
you
love
so
that you
much
have all
for
these
having
ideas.
me.
Of course.
Perfect.